Hi, Brian Garrett here from the Enterprise Strategy Group. We recently evaluated the Stellus Data Platform, and for the next couple of minutes, I'll be talking about our findings. ESG research reveals that 43% of organizations have at least 1 petabyte of primary storage capacity, and more than half anticipate their annual all-purposes data will grow by 20% or more a year. Facing this level of growth, software-defined storage technologies are being considered as a flexible way to keep up with the storage capacity and performance growth. The Stellus Data Platform is designed to support and manage the growth of unstructured data, delivering performance of 80 gigabytes per second of read throughput and 70 gigabytes per second of write throughput. The Stellus Data Platform is a scale-through architecture, which is different than traditional scale-up and scale-out architectures. Scale-through enables organizations to independently scale performance and capacity with a distributed all, shared everything, key-value-based data model that delivers consistently high performance even as it scales. ESG performed testing of the Stellus Data Platform with a goal of validating the high and consistent read and write performance of the Stellus scale-through architecture and the simple scalability, management, and maintenance of the platform. We focused on validating Stellus performance using the high-throughput streaming real-world workloads that are used in multiple industries: media and entertainment, life sciences, seismic analysis, and IoT data acquisition and analysis. First, we started up 16 simultaneous uncompressed 4K video streams. We verified that the Stellus Data Platform was servicing 17.6 gigabytes per second of video throughput without any stutter, jitter, or drop frames. Next, we upgraded the system by adding 2 data managers. Adding them to the cluster took just a couple of clicks, and they were online in less than 15 minutes. Once the upgrade was complete, we started up 32 simultaneous uncompressed 4K video streams, which increased the workload to 34.6 gigabytes per second. And again, the video played smoothly on all the clients without any stutter, jitter, or drop frames. Next, we examined single-client multi-threaded read and write performance. The workloads were generated with the FIO benchmark on a single workstation connected with multiple 100 gigabit per second Ethernet connections. The Stellus Data Platform was able to sustain impressive throughput, 45 gigabytes per second for reads and 41.3 gigabytes per second for writes. Not only are read and write performance nearly equal, which is not the case for most file storage systems, but both read and write performance in this test exceeded Stellus's performance guidelines of 40 gigabytes per second for this config. And response times across all the tests never exceeded 500 microseconds. We upgraded the system to increase performance by adding DMs, then capacity by adding KVSs. Adding the DMs to the cluster took just a couple of clicks, and they were online in less than 15 minutes. Once the upgrade was complete, we'd run tests to verify performance, and we upgraded capacity by installing 2 KVSs. Adding the KVSs required just a couple of mouse clicks. When adding capacity, the cluster rebalances data to optimize for availability and performance. The rebalance completed in just over 43 minutes. And with the increasing adoption and use of data-intensive applications, organizations require a solution that can efficiently store and process data with consistently high read and write performance. Our testing of the Stellus Data Platform validated that with more than 45 gigabytes per second of sustained streaming of read traffic in 7 rack units and over 41 gigabytes per second of sustained write traffic in only 9 rack units, it's the fastest we've seen to date for a file storage system. Stellus System Control provides a clean interface that makes it easy to monitor and manage the system. Replacing SSDs and upgrading the system by adding KVSs and DMs took only a couple of clicks. If your organization is looking to gain a competitive edge as you use IT to transform your business into a digital enterprise, ESG believes that you should consider the performance and operational advantages of fueling the data-driven enterprise with Stellus Data Platform. Thanks for your time. If you'd like to learn more, please download the report.